guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content. I just want to let you guys know that I'm actively working on Saturday again to get all of these back orders. You guys know we've been going through a lot of transitions, a lot of big moves that we're doing. Shouts out to DTF Superstore. Thank you for having our backs and being super supportive of our transition. We can't wait to come out there to the first ever DTF Expo, but there are a lot of people that as we transition over to trying to print on these Mamaki machines, there's a lot of things that, there's a lot of orders that we have to fulfill. So this is one of those examples. I just wanted to just make a quick little video. This is one of those examples because we're getting a lot of people, we're getting hit twofold. I'm getting a lot of people asking about their order, and trust me, we're doing our hardest. Again, we are working with the Mamaki printers, and sometimes the big loads can take up, one printer for about 8 hours, if you know what I mean? So it's not that we can't wait till we get the 300 and start printing on the 300, get access to the 300, and then it'll be a lot faster. But with that being said, all of your orders are being gone through with a fine-tooth comb, and we are getting them out daily. So there's a lot of people. I even talked to a lady last night. Shout out to you, Miss Williams. Hopefully you see this video. I talked to her for, I think, an hour last night about her order, and we had a bunch of questions, and it was just a great conversation. So we're getting everybody's order out. I just want to make this quick video because this is somebody, they reached out and this is what they sent. So please send us the correct artwork. Again, this image came in like this. The image came in like this. We can't print this. Remember, everything that you send has to be printed, has to be ready to go. Gang sheet, locked and loaded, ready to go. So as I'm going through all the different files, I'm noticing that there's a lot of this in there. So if your file hasn't been printed or something like that, just reach out. Sorry, that's our camera. If your file hasn't been sent to you yet or something like that, or we haven't reached out to you, I'm going to reach out to everybody today. So if you look at the time, it is 1:12 p.m. You are going to receive an email from Carl letting you know, hey, we are working on your order to get it out, to have everything knocked out, everything done, completed as we move forward, as we transition completely over to printing on Mamaki printers. But I need everybody to know you gotta watch, or you gotta really send us the right artwork, because if you don't send us the right artwork, whenever we're catching it, it's gonna cause even more of a delay now that we're kind of got our bearings together. We got our house situation locked and loaded. And then the last thing that we're just working on is getting our shop open. So hopefully, if it's not open, and my birthday is March 29th, we're hoping the goal is to have my birthday party at our new showroom in or around Conroe, Texas, because we're going to be moving to Conroe, Texas, which is Montgomery County, like we've been talking about, because the taxes up there are so much cheaper, and you can get a really nice showroom, really nice space with a garage and everything for really cheap for a shop with a printer and everything else, because we want to be able to show a lot of the documents, to show a lot of the printers off. We want to be able to show a DTF printer, a UJV printer, and some other ones. So, that's my daughter calling. Sorry about that. My daughter was calling. She's at a volleyball tournament. Shout out to you, Lulu. Good luck today. But so I'm here knocking out these orders, getting everything done. But again, as you guys can see on the screen, please be careful of what you send us. We're trying to get everything out. Hopefully he's able to send me the correct file, but this is happening a lot. So, and there's nothing I can do with this. So this came in under 1 inch wide. I don't know how it was exported, but even if I put it at the right size, that's what you're going to get. We can't print this. We cannot print this. So again, we are working on every order. You will receive an email from me, and your order will be shipped out. If you have any questions, please email at ordernow@systemtransfers.com. Email us, and we are getting these orders out. We have everything documented. We had to make a big spreadsheet to make sure that we didn't lose track of anybody's orders as we transitioned everything over, because it's just a way different system. So thank you for all your support. Thank you for everybody out there. And yeah, stay tuned for more content. We got a lot of videos coming here soon with DTF Superstore. We filmed a lot. We were at the state capitol here in Austin, so we got a lot of content coming. we're still in the middle of our move. We got the Super Bowl, we got family stuff going on. There's just so much going on. But again, you will see us here soon, and we're just going to keep going. Thank you very much. Remember, email us if you have an order, waiting for it. Say, hey, Carl, where's my order? And I'm going to, if I haven't reached out to you first, you will be reached out to today. But please reach out to me if you see this video. Thank you very much. Be basic. Peace.